12B, TBL Beauty Care and C2 student. And for this video, I am going to talk about my expectations about my chosen strand. So my expectations to my chosen strand is that I hope I have a lot to learn, especially about hairdressing. I want to learn more about rebonding, hair care, scalp treatment, and etc. I want to have skills in this kind of field since I really want to wear makeup and style my hair all the time. I hope that this strand is going to be easy and it will not stress me out. I'm looking forward to this trend because I want to have my national certificate in beauty care. Since I was a kid, I really love to style my hair. Even my friends, pag may nako ginastyle ilang hair. So I think sa karon na time, tama ug love na ko akong ipili. Dagan ako tana why na ko napili ni nga strand. I always replied, ano di ay gusto man ako. Kaya ana sila, always choose what you love. So yeah, kana lang ako mga expectations sa akong chosen strand guys. And I hope na kamo pod mapiliun ninyo kung sa inyong gusto na strand para ganahan mo mo eskwela or ganahan mo mo himo. So kana lang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!